In this video, you will see a boy using an assisted technology device as he participates in the baby birds activity. He is using the Proloquo to Go to make his own choices, build sentences, and answer questions. It is easy to use any activity offered by the speech solution with an assisted technology device. Simply by taking a picture of the illustrations provided in the activity packet and then placing them in a folder on the device for the child to use in a speech session or in a classroom setting. It is amazing to watch how enthusiastic a child becomes when they realize there is purpose in using their device. They love it and they progress quickly. Today, we have to help all of these birds find their eggs and their babies. Look, their eggs got mixed up. Their babies are in here and they don't know where they are. It's your job to open an egg, find the mom, and put the baby bird back in the nest. What egg are you going to open? Start your sentence. Start your sentence. Good.
I will open the green egg.
Oh, good job. All right, so say the whole thing. Say your whole sentence.
I will open the green egg.
Good. Get the green egg. Let's open it up. Oh, what did you find?
I have a baby bird.
Good. What kind of bird? Do you see it on here? What kind of bird?
Pelican.
Whoa, tell me the whole sentence.
I have a baby bird pelican.
Whoa, you do. Look at that. He has a funny beak, huh? All right, what are you going to do with that baby bird pelican? What are you going to do? Good.
I will find the mommy bird.
Good. Go find the mom bird. Where's the pelican? Usually the mom and the baby, they look the same. Yeah. Oh, there she is. Good job. All right, what are you going to tell to that? What are you going to tell that mom bird? Go ahead.
Here's your baby bird.
Yes, good job. All right. You're going to open another egg. Hang on. Look at the colors that are left. All right, wait, look. Okay, now tell me which one you want.
I will open the blue.
The blue what? The blue
egg.
Good, finishing that sentence. Tell me the whole sentence.
I will open the blue egg.
Perfect. All right, get the blue egg. Let's open it up. What's in there? I can't wait to see. Whoa. What do you have, Wyatt? What do you have? Let's tell me. Oh, you like that one? That's a cute one, huh? All right, tell me. Find it. Ready? What do you have?
I have a baby bird.
What kind? Can you find it? Scroll down. What kind? Where is it? Do you see it right there? Look, there it is. Right there.
Flamingo.
Good. Tell me the whole sentence.
I have a baby bird flamingo.
You do. Those are one of my favorites because they're pink. I like them. Okay, what are you going to do with that? What are you going to do?
I will find the mommy bird.
Good. Go find the mom bird. Where is she? You can get up off your chair. Go put them in there. So let's see what eggs are left. Oh, wait. You have to ask. Put that back. Good.
I will open.
Find the right color. Good. Finding it. There it is.
The pink.
The pink what? The pink. Scroll down. The pink what?
I will.
Oh, no. I will open the pink I will? No, that's not a good sentence. So we're going to take that one off. What are you going to do? I will open the pink.
Open.
I will open the pink open? No, what?
Egg.
Oh! Try that sentence. Tell me.
I will open the pink egg.
Yes! That is a good sentence. I like how you found the right word. Okay, open it up. Ooh. Oh! That bird flew out! Go get him! Go get that bird. He flew out. Okay. That bird likes to fly already. Yeah, I saw him fly. I did. Okay, so what kind of bird? What do you have?
I have a baby bird.
What kind of bird? Oh, keep looking for him. Keep looking maybe down a little bit.
Peacock.
Oh, tell me your whole sentence.
I had a baby bird peacock.
It's a peacock? All right. So what are you going to do? What are you going to do with that baby bird? What can you do? No, you already told me you have a baby bird. What are you going to do with it? No.
A baby.
Yep, but what are you going to do with that bird? What are you going to do with the bird?
Mm-hmm.
Tell me. Yes, good job.
Will find the mommy bird.
Yes, that's what you need to do. Tell me your whole sentence. I like him.
Go find the mommy bird.
Go find the mommy bird. Now she's going to look like the baby. Good job. Oh, you are making these mom birds so happy. And what are you going to tell that mom bird? What are you going to say? You say, she's a peacock. Say, peacock.
Peacock.
What are you going to tell her?
Here's your baby bird.
Yes, do the whole sentence.
Peacock, here's your baby bird.
Yes, good job. All right, did you do all the eggs or is there one left?
Mm-hmm.
Which one's left?
Mm-hmm.
Look and see. Oh, you got to tell me. What are you going to do?
I will open the orange.
The orange what? The orange. Finish your sentence.
I will.
Oh, wait.
Open.
Listen to that sentence. Hit it up here. Let's hear that sentence.
I will open the orange. I will open.
I will open the orange. I will open? We have to fix that sentence. Do it again.
I will open. I will open.
You're going to open what? What are you going to open? You know which one? Let's see. What are you going to open? What bird do you think's in that egg?
Bluebird.
You think you're going to open the blue bird? Do you want to try it? What color is that egg? Tell me you're going to open the orange egg, and then we'll see if the bluebird's in there. What color are you going to open? I will. Start your sentence.
I will open the orange.
The orange.
I will open the orange.
The orange what?
I will open the orange.
Egg. Finish your sentence. Yeah, hit it.
Egg.
Oh, there you go. You're going to open the orange egg. Thank you for finishing that. How did you know? How did you know? Oh, wait. Oh, wait. You didn't talk to me. You got to say your sentence. How did you know you had a bluebird in there? Okay, what are you going to say?
I will open. I will open.
Yeah, you already opened it. What's in there?
I have a baby bird.
What kind of bird? What kind of bird is it? Okay. Keep going. Look at your bird.
Peacock.
Is this a peacock?
Mm-mm-mm.
No, so erase. It's not a peacock. Okay, so look for the kind of bird that you have.
Bluebird.
Yes, look at that. You have a bluebird. What are you going to do with that bluebird?
Here's your baby bird. Here's your baby bird.
Oh, good job. Go give it to the mom. Oh, she's so excited. She was the last one to get her baby bird. You are so nice. Now, I want to know if you have a favorite bird. Which is your favorite bird?
Pelican.
The pelican? This one's your favorite? Oh, it's not? Okay. Which one?
Owl.
The owl, is that your favorite? Oh, I like him too. Do you like all the birds?
Flamingo.
Okay.
Peacock. Owl, flamingo, peacock.
Those are all your favorites? Oh, I like that. Do you want to know my favorite?
Flamingo.
Yeah, that's my favorite. I told you that, huh?
Pelican.
I like the flamingo and pelican. You were listening to me. I told you I like both those birds. Thank you so much for helping me today. You did a great job. All right. Exactly. What did you get? What kind of bird?
Owl.
Yes! You did get an owl. I like that. So, I want you to tell I want you to tell the owl mommy bird that you found his baby. Ready? So go put your baby in the nest. Nice. Oh, let's open it up. All right, and what are you going to tell he's going to sit in there. And what are you going to tell? You have the owl. What are you going to say to the mommy? Say, here's.
Here's.
Keep going.
Your baby. Bird.
Yes, do the whole sentence.
Owl, here's your baby bird.
Oh, you're so nice. You found the baby bird. I like that. Okay, let's do another one. Are you ready? There's more moms. What